Hello and welcome to Speech to Note. So in this tutorial we will just have a quick look at how you can install the desktop companion application on your Mac. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need the DMG file. So yeah, you will get the DMG file. You probably have the DMG file already. So all you need to do is open this up and drag this to your applications folder. Now if I open the Finder and Applications folder, okay, I wasn't able to drag that seamlessly. Let me try that once again. So I'll do that here. I think now it's done. Okay, so now since it's in the Applications folder, now if I try to run it, it should open up properly in most of the MacBooks, but in Macs with M1 Pro chips, it's throwing one error. So you will get an error something like this. And there is a small workaround. What you need to do is go to your terminal, like you can open terminal, and here all you need to do is run this particular command, this one. So I will, wherever you got the DMG from, either from the community or from email, I'll make sure that you have this command pasted over there, so you can just copy and paste it in terminal and hit enter. Now once this is done, all you need to do is open up the app, and yeah, it should start working. It will tell you like that your notes will be stored locally. You will be able to organize the content, and then there are custom shortcuts that you can use in order to start recording from anywhere. And here you can, on the top, you can see the recording, right? So if I continue, now all I need to do is log in with my Speech to Note account. So I click continue. I'm logged in because I was already logged in my browser here, so I was able to take that same thing and log in. Now here it is asking me for notifications. Notifications are important if you want to get notified about every time the recording started, or every time you're stopping it, or every time your format or transcription is ready. So I like to keep the banners like this. You can also change the notification style based on your needs. I would recommend to keep the notification on. Once you get a hang of it, you can turn off the notifications, and it will still detect that you are pressing a hotkey, and this icon over here will turn into something else, right? It will change the color. So now that I have my notifications turned on, by the way, the notifications won't come up since I'm recording the video right now. So all I need to do is go back here. I've given the notification permission. Now it is also asking me for microphone, which is pretty evident that it's a desktop companion application, and it's a recording application. You need to give it microphone permission. So allow this. And yeah, now we are good to go. This is not my first time using this application, and there were already a lot of notes stored in my local storage. So all of these notes are getting populated from there. Mind you, like if you are using the web version, those notes will not get populated here. These are only your notes that you have recorded locally, or summaries that you have converted locally. Now there are three main parts to the application. One is your all notes page, where you will find all of your notes that you have recorded using the application. The second is the settings page, where you can configure your shortcuts, and you can go to your profile settings in order to change your summary models. This will take you back to the your web page, your web settings page, where you can change the summary model, or you can change the default note format, things like that. But default note format is not really applicable for the desktop companion application. All you need to make sure that your summary model is of your preferred choice. Right, so coming back to it, the most important aspect of the desktop companion application is to know your shortcut keys. So once you click on shortcuts, there are two shortcut keys that you cannot change. So that is Command+Option+R and Command+Option+S. So one is for starting the recording and one is for stopping the recording. But there are 10 shortcut keys that you get, which you can keep for your up to 10 favorite formats. So I have kept it something like as casual email for Command+Option+0, LinkedIn post for Command+Option+1, and I've set like up to 6 formats for me, which are pretty decent. So I'll hit save changes, and all of these options are readily available for me from here as well. So even if I close this application, it stays open for me here, and it stays open for me here as well. So let's test this. So as soon as I'll hit Command+Option+R, it will start recording the transcription. So let's say I have started the recording, and you can see the color of the icon has changed here at top, and the notification also came in. This notification would have appeared as a banner if I wasn't recording the video. So it will be visible for you like we just set up a notification in banner style. So now if I stop, I can use the hotkey Command+Option+S, or I can come here and stop the recording. So I'll just use hotkey Command+Option+S. It has stopped the recording, and now transcription is complete. So if I go anywhere, I can go literally anywhere. So if I open up stickies and do Command V, I will have all of the transcription that I just said. Or I can just go to a browser tab, I can just paste it here, or I can just paste it anywhere that I want to paste it, right? So let's take another example of having let's say another node. So let's say that I am here in my speech to note account, and yeah, I just want to add a quick list of things that I want to work on, right? So let's say I'll start another recording. So I need to work on creating the end-to-end demo of how speech to note desktop companion application works, and I need to create a blog article for the same, and then I need to make sure that I'm publishing all of those in social media channels. I'll stop. So stopped it. Transcription is complete. So I can just paste it here, or let's go to Google Docs. I can just paste it here. But this transcription currently is on my clipboard, so I can go here and create a list out of it as well. I can either click here, or I can paste, or I can just hit Command+Option+3. So I set Command+Option+3 to be list. So it is saying summary in progress, and now format is ready. So now if I come here and paste it, so it has nicely created a list for me, right? So it looks pretty nice. If I sort of paste it as markdown, which Google Docs gives me a feature. So as you can see, like, it is a really nice list that it has prepared out of this raw transcript for me. So pretty handy for you to write documents, pretty handy for you to write emails anywhere on the go. So yeah, that's how you do the initial setup of desktop companion application on your Mac. And these are the initial things that you can set up. Apart from all of the shortcut to formats that you can access, you also have access to all of the formats that you have in your speech to note account. So these are all the predefined formats plus all of the custom formats that you have created on your account. So all of the formats are available to you. So yeah, and all of these notes and transcriptions will be available for you to look back from your desktop companion application itself. So you can go back, you can read them from here, you can read the transcript from here. One key difference from main speech to note web or mobile application is that here every transcript or every format has a different entry. They are not associated with each other, and the reason why we have done it is because this is for everything. This is for typing with the help of your voice, and if you like something, or if you want to elaborate on a particular transcript and make it into one of your own formats, you can use that. You can do that pretty quickly using the Desktop Companion application as well. So yeah, that's it. Like, this is the initial beta of Desktop Companion application. This will give you the power to type with the help of your voice in your own language, and then you would be able to convert it into any given format of your choice. So yeah, install it. Let us know how it works for you, and we'll be looking forward to your feedback. Cheers.